Morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about the antibiotics. So, what is the antibiotics? Simple definition: antibiotics. It is a chemical substances. It is a chemical substances. It is a chemical substances. So, it is a produced by the chemical substances. It produced by the microorganisms. It produced by the microorganism, but it is the kill or destroy the microorganisms, other microorganisms. Kill or destroy the other microorganism. Prevention of growth also. Prevention of growth of the microorganism, kill the microorganisms. So other microorganisms is known as a antibiotics. So antibiotics is these are the treatment and prevention of the bacterial infections, viral infections, fungal infections, and it is a kill or inhibit the growth of the bacteria. But it produced from the microorganisms is known as the antibiotics. So the antibiotics is the best example is the penicillin. Example is the penicillin. So the penicillin, it is produced from the penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum is the first discovered antibiotic. This is the first discovered antibiotic. It is discovered by the Alexander Fleming. Discovered by the Alexander Fleming. So in the first antibiotic in 1939. In 1939, the first antibiotic is the penicillin from the Penicillium notatum microorganism. This first antibiotic discovered antibiotic by the Alexander Fleming in 1939. So this is about the introduction and definition of this particular this particular antibiotics. So the antibiotics is what is the mechanism of action of antibiotics? Mechanism action of antibiotics. So mechanism of action of antibiotics. First of all, the antibiotics are the inhibition of the cell wall synthesis. First of all, inhibition of the cell wall synthesis. And the next one, inhibition of the cell wall synthesis and cell membrane functions also. Cell membrane functions also inhibited. And the next one, inhibition of the protein synthesis. Inhibition of the protein synthesis. And the next one, it is act as a anti-metabolite metabolated in the cell. And inhibition of the nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. So this is the mechanism of action of the antibiotics. So cell wall is disturbed, cell membrane is disturbed, protein synthesis disturbed, nucleic acid disturbed, and act as a anti-metabolitic reactions also occur in our body, in our particular microorganism body. So this is the mechanism of action of this particular antibiotics. So the antibiotics are what is the as per our syllabus, what is the mode of action? Mode of action. So as per our definition, as per our syllabus, the mode of action is the two types. So one is the bacteriostatic antibiotics. So what about the bacteriostatic antibiotics? The bacteriostatic antibiotics is inhibit the growth and multiplication of the bacteria. These are the inhibition of the growth and as well as the multiplication of the bacteria. Multiplication of the bacteria. Example is the tetracyclines. This tetracycline is an antibiotic. Erythromycin. So these are all example for the bacteriostatic. Just inhibition growth of this particular growth and multiplication of the bacteria only. And bactericidal. Second one is the bactericidal. So what about the bactericidal? So bactericidal means it is a destroyer, kill the bacteria directly. It is a directly attack on the destroy or kill the bacteria. Destroy or kill the bacteria. So example is the penicillin. Example is the penicillin. Aminoglycosides, cephalosporins, and etc etc. These are all example for the bactericidal. So this is about this particular mode of action. And the next one, the next one, these are the next one. What is about the properties of this particular bacteria's properties? So the properties is the gram positive or gram negative bacteria, types of bacteria according to type of bacteria, types of bacteria. So it is a gram positive bacteria. So gram positive bacteria means some antibiotics are effective mainly against the gram positive bacteria. So these antibiotics are especially against activity of the particular gram positive bacteria. Gram positive bacteria. Example is the penicillin. And gram negative bacteria. Gram negative means especially antibiotics effective mainly on against the gram negative bacteria. Example is a streptomycin. So this is the types of bacteria. This is the types of bacteria. So this is about the bactericidal and bacteriostatic mode of action. The next, what about the adverse effects of antibiotics? Adverse effects after administration in our body. It administrated through the different types of routes. So we are already discussed about the route of administration. Then after administration, what happened in the body? Which type of adverse effects? So here, first of all, GIT disorders occur. Gastrointestinal tract disorders occur with the penicillin V. Penicillin V is the penicillin types, penicillin V, penicillin G, different types of are there. With the penicillin V, the GIT disorders occur. The next one, it is the next one, nausea, vomiting. These are all are occur, and dry mouth. This is the one of the side effect. And the next one, change in the blood parameters. Change in the blood parameters. Change in the blood parameters. And the next one, these are the involved in the viral infections also occur. And the next one, it is maybe affected in the pregnancy and lactation and hypersensitivity. These are all are occur with the particular drugs of this particular antibiotics. And the next one, the antibiotics is what is the complications of the antimicrobial therapy? What is the complications in the antimicrobial therapy? Complications in the antibiotics. So first of all, in here the development of the bactericidal resistance. Bacterial resistance. Bacterial resistance, including cross resistance also. Toxicity formation. This is one of the complication. And the next one, allergy and hypersensitivity reactions occur. Allergy and hypersensitivity reactions occur in our body. And the next one, super infection formation. So this is about the complications with the antibiotics. And causes of the antimicrobial failures. What are their causes? Causes of antimicrobial failures. Causes, what are they? First of all, development of drug resistance. Development of drug resistance. Development of drug resistance and improper diagnosis also. improper diagnosis. And the next one, improper selection of antimicrobial also. Improper selection of the antibiotics. So in case of we are treated with the penicillin, replace with the penicillin V, replace with the penicillin G. At that moment also there is no chance for it causes the failures. And improper diagnosis means that a particular disease is or correct or wrong is determined by the diagnosis. Any disturbance occurs in the diagnosis, any disturbance occurs in the selection, and disturbance any development of the drug resistance also it failures. And the next one, improper dose also. Improper dose means, for example, what is the dose? 500 mg of this particular drug administered through the orally. In case of we choose only 200 mg or 1000 mg, at that moment also improper choose of the drug dose also it is affected and failure. And there is a combination therapy also. Sometimes it for combination therapy. The combination therapy also affected on the failure of the antimicrobial action failures. This is the causes of this particular antimicrobial failure. So this is about the antimicrobial failure. So the next we will discuss about the rotational use of antibiotics. Rational use of antibiotics. So rational use of antibiotics means here one word is there, SANE. So what is the SANE? S means specificity and A means availability. N means need to community. E means efficacy. So these are the maintained in this particular antibiotics. So first of all, right diagnosis should made either clinical or laboratory. First of all, right diagnosis. In case of any disturbance occurs here, it failure, and right decision should be take for the chemotherapy. Right decision should be take for the chemotherapy. And proper selection of the drug also. Proper selection of drug. The next one, proper selection of the drug. In here, specificity and route of administration. And the next one, safe drug we are use, and proper combination uses. So